Hello traders, welcome to the midweek market update. Nifty ends today at 23,056 and Bank Nifty at 49,475. See, previous weeks we discussed that in my primary count, okay, the price needs to come to this level 23,200 to 23,100. This is what the expectation as per my primary count, and you can see this chart. See, on 5th February, this is the primary count. Okay, many are not understood this clearly. I will share few key points to understand my analysis in better way. Okay, see, these are the levels we expected, and if you watch the video again, I have said clearly that market at resistance. Out of 3 chances, 1 chance we have slight high, other 2 choices are resistance and decline only. So as per this count, this is my primary count, and we can expect the price to reach between 23,200 to 23,100. So this is what I said in my previous video. Somehow few are misunderstood it. Okay, see, my analysis is based on purely based on Elliott wave. I will not use any indicators, even moving average. Okay, I sometimes use RSI, and that too when I get some confusion. So in my analysis, focus only on the levels and not the patterns, because the patterns may change, because we are not discussing on daily basis. We are discussing only twice a week. So concentrate only on the levels which we are discussing. See, even I said like this in my previous video that the price may move like this, taking support in the gap and move higher and come to this point. This is the pattern I expected, but in reality the pattern move like this, but the levels has been reached. So instead of patterns, you can focus on the levels. Okay, that's one of the key important point. You can get it from analysis. So on this basis, we expected the support level of 23,200 to 23,100, and the price has been reached those levels, but the support not worked on the day, and I shared this level on 11th February, yesterday. We discussed the price can reach 2300, and it reached 23,000, which is 78.6% of retracement of this recent rise. And this is valid. Okay, as of now it is still valid. If there is no big gap down, the price can make one more low. See, the price made one more low, and the levels between 22,950 to 22,850 are important for the price to move higher. See, the analysis here is my expectation, either it is 1 or A or 2 or B or C or 3. This is my understanding based on my previous analysis. For this, the price, if the price stopped here itself, the conviction will be better. But the price came here. Here I have only this area. See, very small level to validate this view. That is previous low. Okay, around 22,770. So this is the background of the analysis. So this analysis is valid only if the price stays above this low of 22,770, and we are very close to it. So we need to wait here to get further confirmation. I will share the levels also now. Okay, so this is the understanding, and see, even if you watch the price 22,850, this is the level, and if you check in the candlestick pattern, the price came lower but not closed below 22,850. Okay, it closed above 22,850 and even moved to 23, approximately 23,140. From 22,850 to 23,150 approximately. 300 points the price has gave a bounce. And but if these levels not supports, then the price can reach 22,650 to 22,550. And this 22,650 to 550 also the same levels we are discussing for the weeks now. We are discussing these levels for many weeks now. These are the same levels for support if the price comes below 22,770. Okay, this is the background view for the analysis. I hope you are clear. So now what we need to see. See, this entire pattern is 3 waves because it is a wave 4, whether it's a wave 4 of 3 or the bigger 4. That's still under question, and we need to see how the price moves. And possibly we will discuss the long term view also in the next video, maybe weekend video. So this is a wave 4, and usually the wave 4s behave like this. It may even make the price action complex. The price can even attempt to test the 22,650 to 550. There are possibility for this, and to check that level, we need to see if the price crosses this level, approximately 23,200. Okay, there is a chance that the price may reject from here and come lower below 22,770. See, this is valid only if the price comes below 22,770. Okay, for that the price may move like this, 22,200, sorry, 23,200 approximately, and can reject and come below this 22,770 to validate this view, and the price may reach between 22,650 or 550. Okay, and even if the price moves above this level, okay, better check this area. So these are the important resistance now. This is around 23,400, 400 to 450. From this level also the price can come one more time to touch the 22,650 to 550. You can just draw a trend line connecting the W and Y, right? Simple. So what we need to check here is, so this is my primary count, okay, but if you look at the Bank Nifty, that is saying a different story, but by looking at Nifty, this is possible because all we have three waves earlier. And I think I don't expect a very fast sell off here, and possibly a consolidation or a slow price action within this pattern. Until this level, this expectation is valid, 20 to 550 or this trend line. So the important level we need to check is between 23,200, and the price may come lower, and even if the price moves higher, we need to check between 23,400. Okay, these are the two levels the price can act as resistance. Even the price may come lower to 22,650 to 550 from these levels. Both are valid now. Okay, right from here or right from here. I marked it. Okay, these are the possibilities now, because since the price is very close to the previous low, it may attempt to test these levels. One thing, but at the same time, if the price moves above this channel, then yes, obviously our primary count, and this is very deeper correction because not yet the low has been breached below this low. So as per rule, the count is valid. So primarily I'm expecting some sort of rejection in these two zones, and one more low can be tested. Okay, and the alternate view is if the price moves above this trend line. Now the thing I want to explain, primary view and alternate view. Very few keep on repeatedly commenting that I'm saying all the possibilities in the markets and I'm taking credit for everything. See, I will share only two options. Okay, before giving two options, I will think about multiple options and I will choose a best, and I am saying here. And for both the views, primary and alternate, I will have certain levels. I will say certain levels. If the price reaches certain levels, then only the alternate view is valid. Until that, primary view is valid. See here, the primary view is the price can reject between 23,200 to 23,400. Okay, but if the price crosses above this trend line, then only the alternate views are valid. And I don't want to get appreciation by saying which is not my analysis. If I am right, I'll get my appreciation from the market itself by moving as per my expectation. So this is my analysis on Nifty now. Why I'm having alternate view is, see, in Bank Nifty, the price is moving as per our expectation only. If possible, I will include that particular clip which I'm expecting the price to reach minimum 48,900. If the price takes support here, then we can see a one more high in this particular wave and the price can come lower. But if the price directly comes lower, according to this wave count, the price can eventually reach these levels of 48,900. And the price exactly got support from 48,900, and you can see, okay, the price has been reached 49,650. Okay, approximately 600 to 700 points bounce from our exact support. And see, there is a difference between Nifty and Bank Nifty. See, the price is almost equal to the previous low in Nifty, but there is a significant difference in the Bank Nifty. So if this is valid and if this is the important support, the price can eventually move higher. That's why I'm saying this alternate view also, only above, crossing above this trend line. Okay, because of this Bank Nifty. But if Nifty moves like this, Bank Nifty also, there is a possibility of the price may consolidate like A, B, C, and the price can touch to the gap level. In this case, I am saying the levels as this gap level. Initial gap level is 48,450, 400, approximately that level. Okay, the patterns may change. As I said before, we are not discussing on daily basis, and if possible, in coming months, I will try to add one more video, maybe thrice a week, maybe Monday, or we will discuss and choose one day. So this is possible. For that, you can check these two levels. This is 50,200 to maybe even 49,900, right? 49,900 to 50,200. These levels can reject if the price moves like Nifty here, and the price may come lower and not making a low below this point, so that the intermarket divergence may develop between Nifty and Bank Nifty, and all can move higher. So this is the view I'm having now, and so some sort of consolidation, sideways, time consuming work, all can happen, and the price may start moving higher. So this is the expectation on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and even in broader market, small cap, when the price moving here, I said that this pattern does not look like completed, and one more low may come. I think I posted on end of January, and as per expectation, the price came lower. Whether the price has completed the correction here, or one more low to 15,400 to 14,950 or 900, this low. So this zone, I guess the price may take support, already get support, or this range. Okay, and from this zone, the price may start moving higher. So this is the downside, and we are very close to the end of the correction in broader markets. And see, all this valid if the price stops at 22,500. Okay, but if the price moves below this 22,500 in fast nature and closes below this in fast nature, then we need to recount and we need to think about the deeper correction. Okay, as of now, I don't think, and my focus on these things. Okay, this is on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and broader markets. And even if you look at the daily chart of Nifty, Bank Nifty, this is line chart, so it will take only the closing prices. And so as of now, end of the day, since the price closed higher, you can see the distance. But if you watch, there is a difference between Nifty and Bank Nifty. And even if you look small cap, the small cap has made a new low. If you check the closing price, see exactly closing price. So it made a equal low if you check in the line chart, but Bank Nifty made a higher low, which is a significant intermarket divergence on positive side. So that's why I said some sort of good bounce, and after that one more low may possible, or moving above the trend line. So close to the support zone, and let us see. And if the price moves as per our expectation in Nifty, that is one more low, it may come lower, and Nifty will make intermarket divergence by making a higher low and Nifty making a lower low, and both can create intermarket divergence and start moving higher. Okay, so this is understanding, and see, all these are learnings. I'm not giving any tips right from the day of starting my channel. I never gave any tips or recommendations, not because of that new circular. Right from the day one, I not gave any tips or recommendations, and these are pure learnings. And why I'm saying previous analysis also in the next video. See, the reason is, if I am wrong, we can understand and learn from my mistake. If I am right, we can understand and learn from my analysis. In both situations, we can learn. Even if I am said, as per expectation, the price has moved, a few are getting offended. I don't know. The reason is, as I said, not for getting any appreciation, just for pure learning, right? If I am wrong, I will admit that I am wrong. If I have doubts, I admit that I have doubts and we need to wait for confirmation. And see, I'm genuinely saying my levels, and even I'm not a professional YouTuber, so I don't have any proper agenda before preparing a video. I just open the chart and I start talking my analysis. And I could see recently that few are commented against my view by saying that I bet the price will go higher. See here, in Nifty, when I said the primary view is coming lower, one or two commented that I bet the price will take support and gap up. See, there is no betting in stock market. Okay, stock market is not the place for gambling. Treat this as a business. Have a vision uh, for 5 years, 10 years, or even beyond that. There is no place for will. If you watch my video, I never use the word will. May or may not. Maybe or possible. Even if I say this, maybe they are new to the markets, and that's the reason. So market is not the place for gambling, and you should always go with the plan of alternate view, or in your case, stop loss. Simple. If you wish, you can follow him because he will post uh, more stuff related to a psychological behavior that is more important for our stock market trading. In my opinion, just 10%, 20% is our technical analysis, and 80 to 90% are our emotions. 80 to 90% are our emotions. So 90% traders think that trading is about predicting the future. So that's why they are using sure shot, bet, will. Okay. 10% traders realize it's a probability game, may or may not. So sooner or later, I wish you all should come here. Okay. Understand that stock market is a probability game, and I have a vision for 5-10 years minimum, and then move on. So don't think it as I'm giving advice, but recently I seen a lot of comments like this, so just want to address it. And I'm genuinely asking for my subscribers that, see, this is how I'm proceeding the market, and this is how I'm approaching the market. Whatever I'm thinking, I'm just presenting in our video. I'm believing that even yesterday the price came to here, there is 2300. I think that our primary view has been worked well, but I received a few comments that the view went wrong. I thought, why the view went wrong? Our primary assumption is a correction only, right? I'm genuinely asking review that something, if I want to change, you can comment so that I can improve it and I deliver it in a most proper way. So yes, thank you. And the levels and opinions shared, discussed in the video only to understand the Elliott waves. Don't take it as any sort of buy or sell recommendations. While trading, more than a reward, you concentrate on risk. So capital is the most important thing to protect more than the profit. So if you wish to understand this wonderful market language, Elliott waves, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. And yes, trade safe. We'll meet you in the weekend market update. Take care.